If you keep obsessively thinking about your ex every 5 minutes, it has become an obsessive pattern, and I will teach you how to break it. The reason why you keep obsessively thinking about your ex is because your brain is bombarding you with those thoughts because you are engaging with those thoughts. There's different ways of engaging with those thoughts. If the thoughts come in of why did that happen, and then you talk back like, oh, how do I fix this? How can I get them back? What did I do wrong? How can I have healthier relationships? You are showing the brain to give you more of those thoughts. Now, some of you are like, no, I don't really I hate these thoughts. I don't like them. Why are they coming? They're coming because you are hating on them. Your brain doesn't understand, oh, he hates them, I shouldn't give them. Your brain only understands you are playing with them, you are engaging with them. The brain gives you the thought toy of, hey, think about your ex, and you're like, oh no, and the brain's like, oh, he's playing with it. The third problem on how you feed those patterns is by you trying to fix those thoughts and trying to get relief from those thoughts by going on social media, trying to distract yourself, or doing other activities to get relief. This is a problem because the brain understands it this way. You did this activity and you got relief from it? Oh, I always want you to be happy. Okay, what did I do? Oh, I gave you thoughts about the ex and you did this activity and you got relief. So the only thing for you to be happy is I have to give you more thoughts about the ex. So the solution is to use your focus as a superpower. Because you're using your attention and your focus to engage by hating on it, trying to fix it, trying to make feelings feel better. You need to put your focus on moment to moment, on valued actions that support your life. So the thoughts say, oh, what about the ex? And you're like, brain, I don't have time right now. I'm going to the gym. That doesn't mean that 2 minutes later, the brain is just stopping and is like, oh, I'm not going to give you these thoughts anymore. No, the brain's like, no, here, this is important. You must think about this. And you got to see it as a practice to moment, bring your focus back to, oh no, I'm walking right now. Oh no, I'm going to the car right now. No, brain, I don't have time we're going to do this right now. We're driving right now. You're doing what's in front of you well. The more you do that over time, the more you teach your brain that you don't care about the old patterns anymore. And over time, you will not have these obsessive patterns anymore. Bonus tip, you also need to stop doing this practice to say, oh, if I do this for 2 weeks now, I'm going to get rid of the thoughts. Because then you're still showing the brain that you are upset with the thoughts.